Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to gain weight. We're going to start off with bananas and then we're going to chop them down and with the other bananas. And then we're going to use peanut butter, smooth by the way. You can use any peanut butter you want to use. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then we're going to use protein, 1.5 proteins. Then evaporated milk, but you can use any milk you want. And then you can put ice if you want to. Then shake it so then it'll be great and balanced. Then blend it until it turns into a liquid. Shake it again before you use it. Pour it into a cup. Then use ice if you want to. And voila, you got your own gain weight milkshake.